Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix PUBG BLINDSPOT Server Connection Error. So if you are getting this error, server connection error, failed to connect to the server, error occurred, could not connect to the server in PUBG BLINDSPOT game, then here follow the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, first check the PUBG BLINDSPOT server status. You can check the PUBG BLINDSPOT official website. You can also check Twitter webpage of PUBG BLINDSPOT, or you can also check the Discord of PUBG BLINDSPOT. And if you find that the server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. But if their server status is online and if still you are getting this error, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe files to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. In my case, it is in C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, PUBG BLINDSPOT. Open this PUBG BLINDSPOT folder. Now select this R client exe file first of all, and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Then select R client underscore ZK exe file, then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. And this time open the ARC folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, and then select R client Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse. Now again browse to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. Open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open PUBG BLINDSPOT folder. Then select this R client exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Again click on allow another app, browse, select R client ZK exe file, then click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here you can see, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Then click on allow another app once again. Click on browse. Open ARC folder, open binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select R client Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked. And then click on OK to save changes. And then you can go ahead, launch the PUBG BLINDSPOT game and check if your error is fixed or not. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 2 is to run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right-click on PUBG BLINDSPOT game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now right click on this R client underscore ZK exe file and then select run as administrator and then check if it helps or not. If not, then open the ARC folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Right click on R client Win64 shipping exe file and then click on run as administrator and see if it works or not. Fix 3 is to flushdns. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type some code. These are the code. I have provided this code in my video description. So enter this and then hit on enter. Copy the second code, paste it and then hit on enter. Copy the third code, paste it and then hit enter. Now you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt, then restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your error is fixed or not. Next solution is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on View Network Status and Task. Then click on your connected network. Then click on Properties and then select Internet Protocol version 4 and then click on Properties. Now select the use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK. Close it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on PUBG BLINDSPOT and then select properties. Now go to installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to try VPN. You can connect to VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN, etc. and then check. You can download this VPN from the internet. These are having the free version also, and then connect to a different location than your current location and then check if your problem is solved or not. And if you're already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve PUBG BLINDSPOT Server Connection Error, failed to connect to the server, or error occurred, could not connect to the server. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.